Hello everyone, and welcome to the final episode of Teardown. Hopefully this goes well, and I manage to complete the level, which I didn't manage to complete in the last episode. It's going to be difficult, and well, whatever happens, this is going to be my last episode, because I'm going to be soon focusing on another series, which I have mentioned previously, about 6 months ago, leading up to it. Minecraft 1.18 is coming out November 30th, and by which point I should hopefully be making videos on a server that I have made with 3 other people called Niftycraft. But it's just hoping, trying to figure out the start date at the moment. The videos should come out on Sundays anyway, like normal, or maybe I won't even have a normal schedule because, well, Minecraft goes at the pace at which it would go. You can't dictate it. I remember what the mission was. It was to flatten. Yes. Right. It's too tall. So, firstly, I am going to, you know what? I think I'm going to get this open. Or is there another way? Right, that's over there. I'm going to try different tools for this. And, namely, I'm going to try these bits. Handy. Or have I just... Okay, well I've already broken the fork. That's not even a fork, it's a digger. I've even broken something without even driving it. Doesn't seem realistic. Fatal to telephone lines. Telephone lines, no. Electrical wires. Although, the vehicle in the back, this is the Faraday's cage up, so it wouldn't matter. Of course, I managed to get through there. I'm going to get out, and I'm going to run over there. I just realised this is the normal running pace, I can't run any faster, can I? And I'll pick that up. Bye-bye. Oh wow, that's actually good enough to... Seriously? Right. Right, so I'm going to lift it up like that. No, that was glass, so it wouldn't anyway. I'm going to put this in here, because I can pick it up from over there and chuck it in the building. That should, well, every little bit helps. Especially when it comes to this, which I've already failed at. Blinding slow. You'd think the crane would be slower, but no, it's much slower. Come on. Right, easy does it, there we go. I'm of course going to start by bombing the, I just realised that's not probably a great way to put it, but you know what, whatever. I'm going to have to get rid of that and that, because I cannot have these structures supporting it. So that raises the question of how on earth I'm going to manage to get up there. I am going to use this and walk up. Now, just need to get on the back. Yes, I can do this. Right. Parkour. Yes, that was an Office reference. Right. Done that now. Oh right, I've attached it to that. No, 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 no. And I've blown up the can as well. Well, this is going off to a great start. No, meant the other button. Right. So hopefully I can... Still not enough there. Right. Gonna do an expert demolition. Demolish one side so hopefully it tips down. That is my hope. Okay. Now it should be hopefully secured enough. Jump up. Right, so that's gone now. Right, so carefully demolishing it. I'm gonna have to sever this, I think. It's not great. 5 bombs left. Blowtorch. Please tell me this works. No, it doesn't work. I'm gonna have to use the blowtorch simply on this then. To get this out. I have to be very specific with the blowtorch here. If I don't get it right, I'm gonna have wasted an entire blowtorch can. Yeah, this isn't looking great. Come on. Right, good. I have managed to get that off, and I'll throw it, which collapses that. That wasn't my intention, but now I've got a nice bridge up there. You know what, that actually makes quite a good way of getting around. You know what, this makes actually quite a good way of getting around. Oof. Now I ought to actually do something. Really. So I'm going to demolish most of that side, and then slightly along here. So using that platform, that door, I'm going to topple it down through here. That is the plan. And I just realised that I already said that was the plan, but you know, whatever. More the merrier. Saying things. Just making things up as I go along now. Well, I was in the first place, so... Come on. Good, it's an unlocked door. I think to get around here, I am gonna... Do I have enough on the blowtorch? Yes. Right, it should no longer be locked. Yes. Right, this is basically as good as I'm going to get it. Right. Good. That wasn't so good. To wait a little bit now, just for the health. Oh, what on earth is happening to my health? How did I die? Bullets can hurt. So it seems my shotgun rounds ricocheted and killed me. Right. Okay. have to start over. But now I don't have any of the previous mistakes I made, so I can hopefully do this pretty quickly. And you know what? I'm just going to use the crane to get up there and destroy it. No. Would that work? It'd probably be best if I just keep using this tactic. I'll drive this up here. Right. And out. Directly underneath where I need. Hopefully, can I? No? Why is this? Okay, it looks like probably 1 minute more. Good. Done. I've got 2 to spare. Now that's the part I'm less happy about. So I need to get up there now. Blowtorch. Still locked. Right. Now I just get up to the top. Good. Oh, I didn't pick up the bombs. Now that was smart of me. Can't do it without them. Where are they? They're there, in the box. Okay. Take 2. But also not take 2 because I've literally done stuff already. Hopefully less mistakes now. There should be. Probably the worst mistake is killing myself. And I've already done that today, so should only go uphill. Jump over here. Good, that doesn't hurt me. There we go. Over here. Yes. That's done what I sort of intended. Okay. Right. What's that gonna do? Okay. Can I pull that out? Yes, it looks like a collapsible structure. Good. Right, now to actually blow it up from the inside. This is what concerns me the most. Especially because of the impact on my health. Right, still got that door. I'll just move. Yeah, I can throw a massive pile of brick. I am. Wow, I definitely am strong then. So. Thought that would have a massive effect on my health. And it has. Good, good. I'm gonna need a few planks now, probably. 2. Right. Now if I just walk along here, should be able to get on the roof. Yes. And that will take me up on there. That's where I need to go. I've only got 1. Hopefully this, well, this should work. Damn. Okay, so there's a connection there. The structure's doing what I wanted. I've done it! I just need to get out now. Just goes to show actually having a decent plan actually makes all the difference rather than just doing a random demolition. Blimey. I did not expect that. Well, I did not expect that. I mean, I didn't expect it to work as well as it did, but you know what? Oh, a new tool has been delivered. Yeah, they're the bombs, of course. More news. Is this me? Yes. It has, what? No. Okay. Why did that table just fall down? They turned the gas back on. Coffee never tasted better. Side mission. Okay. Am I I'm going to be hired by Lee, the man that I've been just destroying everything. What? Why? No. How? How did he find me, and how does he want my work when I've literally destroyed his grandfather's tower? And of course vandalised all his property. You know, that's another question. That's another problem. I think I'm going to do this side mission. So that's at it's West Point Marina again. Okay. I may do it, I may not. I'm actually just going to have to quickly check how long this recording has been going for, actually. Because I haven't been paying attention. My brain's been whirring around trying to figure out how to get... What? That seems unsafe. Okay. Well, we're in the mission now, because this video isn't particularly long. Primary targets. New tools help him get them. Right, so that's my getaway. Security wired alarm box. Damn. This is more difficult than I thought it would be. I was expecting like what you'd expect a normal side mission to be, not some elaborate heist. Yeah. Those rocks down there? Yeah, they are. Never noticed. Oh good, there's a ladder. Now what I want to know, given that looks like a swimming pool ladder, is what on earth are they expecting to be doing in this marina? Going around and swimming? This place is practically an island. Well, I mean, it looks like a peninsula at least. A small one just goes around there. There's actually an island, though. Just, want to be swimming in the cold ocean, or maybe they just want to make people have a nice ladder when they fall in. Well, that sound effect wasn't ominous at all. I'm not sure if you can hear them, but yeah, they certainly are ominous. So that's one there, and they're in completely different places. Well, I'm going to have a look at security, and I did say this was going to be my final episode, so if this goes completely wrong, and if I can't do this, then it's over. I'm not going to be doing this again on my YouTube channel, at least. I might continue for myself, but, right. A nail gun. That's... Right, is that wired into the security? Okay, the security alarm does have, okay, it's indestructible. I don't think I'm going to manage to do this. Yeah, I'm definitely not going to manage to do this. It's not a great end to this series. Well, a series of 6 episodes spread out over quite a lot more weeks than 6. More than double. But Niftycraft will change that, and you've got that to look forward to. So, I will just sit on this bench, grab a valuable binoculars worth $60. I would not pay for that. Now, goodbye.